everyone. Happy Friday. How are you today? I hope you had a wonderful evening with your family and made lots of memories with your loved ones. I know I did, and I'm so blessed to be up today and talking to all of you and being with my lovely kids. And I just love being around my children. Um, well, we're coming close to one of our favorite seasons. Can you guess what is? Christmas. I know. Well, we're not going to talk exactly about Christmas right now, but we are going to talk about Santa's helpers. Do you know what they're called? They're called elves. So we're going to read a quick story, and it's called The Elves Are in the Workshop. And this is by Kim Mitzo Thompson and Karen Mitzo Hildebrand, and illustrated by Leisha Wright. The elves are in the workshop. The workshop, the workshop. The elves are in the workshop. They're busy making toys. Some dolls and fast toys, trains and ball, and an airplane. The elves are in the workshop. They're busy making toys. The elves are in the workshop. The workshop, the workshop. The elves are in the workshop. They're busy making toys. A truck, a drum set, a bear, and a toy jet. The elves are in the workshop. They're busy making toys. The elves are in the workshop. The workshop. The workshop. The elves are in the workshop. They're busy making toys. A bike and a blue sled. A car that is bright red. The elves are in the workshop. They're busy making toys. What do you think of this one? I love elves. I love talking about elves, and all the work they do is pretty cool, right? Well, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I'll see you soon. Remember, be kind to one another and hug your mommies and daddies, okay? Your siblings, and make a difference, okay? Bye-bye.